In this guide, I'm going to show you how to remove props here in Forza Horizon 6. This is going to be for estates. This is going to be for the garage. It really works the exact same way for both of them. Before we do get into this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can also help you out down there as well. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But to actually remove props, you need to, of course, go into either your state editor or you need to go into your garage editor. It'll look something like this for you. It'll be a little bit different depending on what you're in. But go ahead and find whatever prop it is that you want to delete, hover over it, and then simply just go ahead and hit the delete object button on, I believe, Xbox, it's going to be X. It's going to be square on PlayStation or X on keyboard. But just go through, delete it just like so, and of course it'll start removing it. The process really is as simple as that. You can go through and you can delete pretty much everything, clear it out, and make it a lot better. And of course you can also go in and add better props if you really wanted to as well. Not really sure why I would add this giant ramp, but it's here just in case. But yeah, this is the full process right here. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.